Welcome to Philotimaths, fighting problems one step at a time.
Welcome to Philotimaths. In this video we're going to see how to expand single brackets using the claw method. Let's have a look at an example. Okay, so in this example we have 4 times the pair of brackets right here. So how do we start? The first thing we draw is our claw, which is basically 2 lines joining 4 to our x right here, as well as joining it to this plus 2 in here. How does that work? Well, this is really a multiplication claw. That means what we have to do is 4 times x, which is simply 4x, and then we have 4 times plus 2. Well, 4 times plus 2 is simply plus 8. Therefore, the answer here is 4x plus 8. Okay, so in this second example, we have x times x plus 3. Let us draw our claw again. So we've got a line joining x to the x term in here, and then we will join x to plus 3 using another line. So what is x times x? Well, that is simply x squared. Therefore, we can go ahead and write down x squared. Then we continue with x times plus 3. So what is x times plus 3? Well, that's simply plus 3 lots of x. Therefore, the answer here is x squared plus 3x. Okay, so in this third example, we've got 2y times y squared minus 5. Let's go ahead and draw a claw first of all. So we've got 2y, let's draw the claw joining it to y squared, and we'll need to do the same with 2y being joined to our minus 5. How do we proceed? Well, we have to do 2y times y squared. That's going to give us 2. And what is y times y squared? Well, that's simply y cubed. Therefore, we get 2y cubed from this first multiplication. What do we get from doing 2y times minus 5? Well, 2 times minus 5 is minus 10. Therefore, 2y times minus 5 is simply minus 10y. Therefore, the answer here is 2y cubed minus 10y. So in this final example, we have 3x squared y times 2x plus 5y. Well, same as before, we're going to go ahead and draw a claw here, and we will proceed with expanding the brackets. So we've got 3x squared y times 2x. Well, first of all, let's have a look at the numbers. So we've got 3 times 2. That is simply 6. Then we have x squared times x. Well, that is simply x cubed. We should not forget that we had this y here to start with, so we'll simply copy it down here. Let's move on to the second part. So we've got 3x squared y times 5y. Again, let's have a look at the numbers. So we've got 3 times plus 5. Well, that's simply plus 15. Let's continue with x squared. We have to copy it down here. And finally, we've got y times y. Well, that is simply y squared. Therefore, the expanded form is 6x cubed y plus 15x squared y squared. This was a short lesson on expanding single brackets using the claw method.
Have you suffered from a maths-related injury in the last 4 months?
You're in the right channel. Welcome to Philotimaths. Welcome to Philotimaths. In this video, we're going to see how to expand single brackets using the claw method. I think I overdid it with this one. Welcome to Philotimaths. In this video, we're going to get... Sorry about that. Does it?
No, it's fine.
Does it look funny?
No, it's fine.
Such a tough job. Never get into teaching.